Ever wanted your entire music library at your fingertips, ready to blast on your iPhone? Today, we'll explore how to transfer music from your computer to your iPhone, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes anywhere. Let's dive into the most common methods. First up, iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable. Once connected, open iTunes in iTunes. Click the iPhone icon, then click Music in the sidebar. You'll then see sync options. Put a check mark next to sync music. You can choose to sync your entire library or selected playlists, albums, artists, and other items. Choose your desired options. Click apply in the bottom right corner to start the music transfer. iTunes will copy your selected music to your iPhone. Once the sync is complete, you'll see your music in the Music app on your iPhone. The second way is even simpler. iCloud Music Library. Make sure the iCloud Music Library is turned on in your iPhone settings under Music, then in iTunes. Turn on iCloud Music Library as well. Get ready because your music will start syncing across all your devices.